everybody, it's Alex here. We got another unboxing today. It's the LG 27 UK850. Let's take a look now. This is a 4K monitor from LG. I think it's been 2 years now. I think 2018 when they first came out. So it's come with this 27-inch 4K display and it's HDR10. It comes with a cable management, which is a small plastic that you can hook up your cable so that it look quite simple and neat and not too messy if you're having issue with the cable management. And we also got a little manual here for getting things hooked up, your warranty, and also there's a disc which is give you the owner manual. Nowadays we never gonna use it anyways. So what we got on here is two HDMI input, and this support HDCP 2.2. You also get a 60 Hz on this as so if you have a Mac, for example, this will work with your Mac. And then you also have a USB-C there. If you got a MacBook that support the USB-C Type-C, you're able to do it with a single cable. You charge your laptop at the same time, only up to I think charge the cable in 60 watts. Also there's a software guide and driver guide as well. LG have a software called on-screen split screen thing that you can do. The monitor itself come with two USB 3 ports so that you can use it for your mice, your keyboard, anything like that. But it will work if you're using USB-C, not the HDMI. And there is a phone jack as well. And then there's a power input, come with the Visa mount, so you can mount it on the wall. And there's a little joystick on the bottom of the display where you can change your setting, navigate around your menus. The display itself, very nice looking here. It is a matte display, not quite glossy display, so it's a matte finish and IPS panel. It comes with a AMD FreeSync that you can get better on the display. When you turn on your AMD FreeSync, it will not tearing or soldering your display. But the FreeSync is only available when you connect it with DisplayPort or HDMI. So yeah, that's it guys, unboxing UK850. I know itu udah lama, udah keluaran 2 tahun lalu. Tapi daripada lu beli keluaran baru, mending beli keluaran yang 2018. Soalnya speknya nggak jauh beda sama yang 2019 tahun lalu, UL850. So cuma beda apa ya di HDR-nya doang. Terus harga beda jauh banget. Terus yang terbaru kan pasti lebih mahal dikit, sekitar 600-an. Terus kalau yang ini 500-an. Belum lagi ini color accuracy-nya 99%. So that's really good. And terus pakai itu lagi USB-C 500-an, pakai USB-C lumayan kan, lumayan murah. Terus lu dapat AMD FreeSync lagi. Kalau lu belinya buat main game itu cukup lumayan bagus. Tapi cuma lu dapat 60 Hz doang kan. So kalau lu benar-benar ke gaming monitor, mending yang beli yang di atas 60, 120 atau 200-an. Tapi itu jauh lebih mahal karena ini gue fokus ke video production. Gue ambilnya yang 99% color sRGB. Alasan pertama gue beli monitor ini. Kedua ya karena pakai USB-C satu kabel doang. Untuk MacBook Pro yes, one cable. Lu nggak perlu banyak kabel biar kabelnya nggak berantakan, cable management. And dia ada speakernya kurang bagus. Gue nggak pernah pakai speaker dari monitor 27 inch. Lumayan sih kata orang 4K kalau bisa 32, tapi itu jauh lebih mahal lagi. So 27 itulah standar lah ya. Yang ketiga, ini monitor nggak begitu berat. Kalau mau rotate monitornya juga bisa, kayak portrait mode or bisa portrait mode sama tilt ke atas sama ke bawah, tapi dia nggak bisa kanan kanan kiri gini. Itu yang kekurangannya, but that's not a big deal. Ya semoga unboxing video tadi yang gue udah rekam kayak 3 minggu lalu deh, gue rekam 3 minggu lalu itu, semoga bisa membantu lu orang yang lagi di market cari monitor baru, confused mau beli yang mana. Ntar gue kasih taruh link LG di descriptionnya. Mungkin lu mau lihat compare berbagai macam model LG yang terbaru kayak UL, UK, ada yang 650, ada yang 850 UL yang di atas. Itu gue bakal bahas lagi in the next video, dimana gue compare UL 650 sama UK 850 yang gue punya. So ya, semoga nih video bisa membantu, and hopefully you guys enjoy this kind of video. Thumbs up if you like the video, sub if you loved it. I'll see you next time.